register now.
Hi guys, hope all of you are doing great and we are doing NCERT solutions guys. Today we are going to do page number 140 का question number 4 and 5. ठीक है guys we are doing each and every question of your NCERT में in text question, exercise question सारा हम करें जो भी बोर्ड में आने वाला है. ठीक है, तो what are we doing over here is we are trying to provide you with notes, but what I want you to caution you about is कि guys direct questions नहीं आएंगे एग्जाम में. ठीक है, they will be asking you question based on application. You will have to learn कि मैं how am I. You should understand the thought process before behind answering such questions. So guys focus on that mainly है ना and try to answer the questions. तो yes guys let's read the comments पहले. Yes श्री हरिता कहती हैं sir thank you for this amazing session. It was really informative. अरे ऐसे कैसे? Yes, and understanding. I'm really lucky to have an amazing bio teacher like you. Thank you so much. Thank you, beta. Shri Harita. Say you're my favorite teacher. You clear all concepts. Thank you, beta. Devansh Upadhyay. Thank you for writing to us. And yes, guys, as we all know about Vedantu Pro subscription, ठीक है, amazing course, and we provide you with guaranteed score improvement. Guys, guaranteed score improvement होता है, और if you can use this code AR Pro to get 20% extra discount. Yes, guys, you can use this code for getting 20% discount. Great. Now let us talk about this page number 140 का question number 4. How does the embryo get nourishment inside the mother's body? अच्छा guys, how does the embryo get nourishment inside the mother's body? बताओ, tell me. Pause the video and try to answer it on your own. How? Yes guys, है ना बेटा. Now a tissue called as placenta is developed between mother and the developing fetus. एम्ब्रियो भी लिख सकते हो. This placenta helps in providing nourishment to the baby. This placenta helps in providing nourishment to embryo. You can also write it also helps in removing the waste material. It also helps to remove waste like है ना, like urea, CO2 from embryo. Are you getting what? मतलब कंप्लीट इसको एक्स्ट्रा एक और एक्स्ट्रा पॉइंट दे दो फ्री में. ठीक है, एक्स्ट्रा पॉइंट फॉर एक्स्ट्रा मार्क्स. ठीक है, तो यू कैन ऐड एन एक्स्ट्रा पॉइंट ऑल्सो. ठीक है बेटा. अब इफ यू वांट टू बी मोर क्रिएटिव यू कैन राइट ड्रॉ अ डायग्राम ऑल्सो. अगर आपको और क्रिएटिव होना है, ठीक है, व्हाट यू कैन डू इज यू कैन ड्रॉ अ डायग्राम ऑल्सो. आई जस्ट शो इट टू यू. ठीक है बेटा, दिस इज अ डायग्राम. आपको सर ये कैसे बनाऊं? बेटा ये बनाना नहीं है. व्हाट यू कैन डू इज आई जस्ट शो इट टू यू कि कैसे यू कैन ड्रॉ अ डायग्राम. ठीक है बेटा, हाउ यू कैन ड्रॉ अ डायग्राम. यू कैन जस्ट शो लाइक दिस. है ना बेटा, just say this is बेटा, just you show baby like structure ऐसे. मतलब just show ना, आपको representative यहां पे लिख दो placenta, है ना, इसमें लिख दो heavily supplied with blood vessels. It is heavily supplied with blood vessels. ठीक है, इट इज हेवीली सप्लाइड विद ब्लड वेसल्स. ऐसा कुछ मतलब रिप्रेजेंट करने वाला. ठीक है, ताकि आपको टीचर को पता चले कि आपको पता है प्लेसेंटा ये है, ये नहीं होता, ये अम्बिलिकल कॉर्ड होता है. ठीक है, दिस इज व्हाट आई वांट यू टू डू. यस, मूविंग फॉरवर्ड ऑन दिस. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. उपसी. Let's move on this. है बेटा, the embryo gets its nutrition from the mother's blood, which with the help of a special tissue called as placenta. मतलब mothers के blood से मिलता है, placenta की help से. इट्स अ डिस्क गाइस, ये देखो ये इंपॉर्टेंट है इसका स्ट्रक्चर बिकॉज इट हैज कम इन द एग्जाम. द स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ द प्लेसेंटा, बट स्ट्रक्चर क्या, इट इज डिस्क शेप्ड. What is it? It is disc shaped, contains finger like projections called as villi. It is disc shaped which contains finger like projections called as villi. क्या है guys? It is disc shaped है ना बेटा, finger like projections called as villi है ना, on the embryo के अंदर embedded है ना. mother sides are blood vessels, मतलब क्या है, disc shaped है, finger like thing is embedded over there है ना, provides large surface area so that oxygen and other material can be exchanged. Moving forward on this, if a woman is using copper tea, will it help in protecting her from sexually transmitted disease? Guys, tell me. Yes, अगर women ने copper tea use करा है, copper tea is what? It's a contraceptive. Yes, copper tea was, it's a contraceptive. So if she is using, will it prevent, yes guys, sexually transmitted disease? Tell me. Very easy question. Let us see. If she is using contraceptive as IUD or intrauterine device, copper T is an intrauterine device. इसमें क्या होता है बेटा? See, still the male organ is gonna come in contact with the female organ, है ना? Male organ can come in contact with the female organ. So there is gonna be, you know, exchange. There can be exchange of bacteria or any disease-causing agent. So you should write, yes guys, barrier methods. और आप सीधा ये लिख सकते हो कि no, the IUDs will not be able to prevent the sexually transmitted disease. Rather, barrier methods which prevent sexual organs, male and female sexual organs, from coming in contact right, barrier method which prevent male and female sexual organs from coming in contact are suited for preventing STD. They can prevent the STDs, whereas IUDs, what do? They do not prevent STD, but they prevent pregnancies. By what? They can, you know, reduce the fertility of the sperm, or they can make the uterus unsuitable for implantation. If you can see, STDs is spread by transfer of body fluids. How do they spread? They spread by transfer of the body fluid, either semen or blood. The barrier method limits the exchange of body fluids and thus can be, मतलब बैरियर मेथड क्या करता है, बॉडी फ्लूइड्स को एक्सचेंज नहीं होने देता. whereas जब आप IUD यूज करते हो, there is exchange of the body fluid. ठीक है बेटा. Copper T is a contraceptive which is chemical based and thus can't act as a barrier, है ना, the body fluid, and thus user had unprotected intercourse. उसमें क्या होता है, unprotected मतलब the sexual organs are coming in contact with each other and there is an exchange of the fluid. Main point is guys, exchange of the fluid should not happen. When you use IUDs, there is exchange of the fluid. That is why it will lead to this thing. Whereas barrier method like condoms etc., where there is no exchange of the fluid, in that case, yes guys, this cannot happen. Great job guys, claps for you all. We have already done guys page number 133 का question number 5 कर चुके हैं, 140 का 1 भी कर चुके हैं, है ना, पेज 140 का 2, 3 भी कर चुके हैं, 4, 5 आज हमने कर लिया है. तो guys do watch these questions also. If you have not watched them, watch them. They are amazing. And yes guys, do not forget to subscribe to the channel. Subscribe कर लो, अपने friends को बताओ, share it with your friends and keep smiling. Do let us know in the comment box आपको सेशन कैसा लगा. Bye bye. Have a great day. Take care.